are a family of 4, so it's myself and my husband and these 2 boys. So Charlie will be 5 this week and Archie's 3. A couple of days a week I'm working, and then the rest of the week it's the 3 of us. So usually we're up pretty early, 6:30 in the morning, and then out the door by 9:30 usually, and we're heading off to swimming or music or a play date in the park. We went to the park this morning, dropping things off, taking the dog to the vet, groomers, things like that. So we're running around most days. For us, for our family car, we need space in the back. That's probably the biggest thing, and boot space. So we don't really use a pram anymore, but beforehand boot space was really important with the pram. But these guys are still in car seats, so having a bit of space in the back is important. And then it's nice to have nice features for grown-ups like media player and stuff like that, which is nice. But mostly it's for the kids at this stage in our life, isn't it? All right, guys, you ready to go?
Yeah.
How exciting!
I'm so excited.
Oh, the camera's good.
Yeah.
Very good, actually.
Let's go. Screen open.
You want the screen open? How's that? Now the roof's open. Do you love it? It's a sports car. Feels like a sports car. It's very nice. It drives very nicely, you guys. Obviously, it's an extremely nice car, but it really fit our family as well. So there was plenty of room for the kids in the back, everything that I could want in the front, so much boot space. We had the bikes in there, and then we did the groceries, and there was so much space. But it drives so nicely. It's a bigger car, but it drives so nicely. It's so easy to park, barely any road noise. And the cameras, they're my favourite, the cameras. You can see everything. Yeah, 360-degree view. Oh, it was amazing. But yeah, he had a look at it and he loved it. So they're sports mode, and can change gears in it, which I didn't do. That's beyond me. I just drive an auto, but he loved it. So no road noise, is it?
It's quiet.
So quiet. It's extremely practical. So we're a family of 4 with 2 little kids, so we need space. Which there's plenty of space, and then hands-free driving as well, so you have your phone connected, because we're always rushing around somewhere, making phone calls on the go, but there's heaps of space, boot space, pockets, everything.
This is the bestest car we have ever had.
It is pretty good, isn't it? Honestly, we couldn't fault it. It was so good, yeah, we loved it. Perfect for our family.